First, set up your instructions and parts in an area that you can easily access them. Flip the base over and insert the caster post into the threaded holes and thumb tighten. Fully tighten each caster using the wrench, then flip the base back over. Optional tip: push the brake down to the off position on all 4 casters to prevent movement. We recommend locking the casters during assembly. Next, place the dual poles on the base, aligning the 4 holes on the dual pole plate with the 4 outer holes on the base. Secure screws and washers through the plate down into the base. Tighten with the hex wrench. Now use the hex wrench to remove screws and washers. Pull the inner pole upwards and align the inner notches. Then reinsert the screws and washers and tighten with the hex wrench. Place bracket arm onto the pole. Align the screw holes and insert hex screws. Tighten screws with the hex wrench, but do not fully tighten yet. Optional: add vertical arm extenders with screws and washers to accommodate larger size monitors. Use the compatible screws and optional spacers to add the VESA mounts to your monitor. Not all of the hardware will be used. Add optional horizontal arm extenders to the mount to fit larger monitors. Use spacers as necessary. Carefully lift your monitor and insert the 4 hex bolts into the slots of the bracket arms and hang. Drop your monitor's power cable and any other cables into the poles and out through the cable management slot at the bottom. Connect the cap pieces together around the cord. To adjust the tilt, loosen the hex bolts on the arms with the wrench and slowly tilt the monitor into position. Congratulations! You have now set up your TV mount. To find out more, visit Displays2go.com.